just keeps on raining, coming out of the sky in torrents. 8 inches in New York City, rail lines shut down, people frozen, traffic just keeps raining. Where's it gonna go? Storm sticking around, 36 hours, keeps on raining. Man, I'm looking out the window, think I'm gonna take a walk outside and get some rain on my face. Get my feet on the ground, jump through a puddle or two, come back home, turn on the heat, and get warm with you. It keeps on raining. Come pouring, come pouring, come pouring, don't stop. My life is moving from storm to storm, from bright day to bright day, from walking out back to staying home. Keeps on raining. Man, what I got to do, take care of myself and keep myself healthy so I can enjoy one more time, one more day, just a little bit longer. The life I got, the life I've been left with, the life I finally have. Keeps on raining, and I try to stay both dry and walking through the rain. Keeps on raining.